In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to menu, tap Add Gear to go to Settings. After that, tap Add magnifying glass icon and then search for News. Tap Add News Feed, and that's where you can easily find that Unfollow tool. If we get into it, it will show us all our followings. Unfortunately, there is no actually a tool to unfollow all of them at once in one click. However, we can easily unfollow them just by tapping Add Unfollow button. We can do it really quickly, just like that. That's how you can easily unfollow everyone on Facebook at once.